ikiri atiriri kuringana na minister uria wihokeirwo kurugamirira bia
CS Mbadi CS Treasury
yes arugire kuringana uria kuhana thirikari ndiri no hoti wa kimbeca wa guthi na mbere kurugamirira mutaratara wa mathomo ma free ma primary ma secondary na go subsidize githomo gia university it was in the news yesterday na magatheti ni momuthi na njira nguhi arauga atiriri wi muciari urathomithia ri wanjiririe kwihariria psychologically na kimuhuko ati probably kuma next term ni ukugwa mondo kurugamirira bithi ya mwana waku thirikari ni nyiheirwo mahinya ma mbeca
aro hamwe na subsidy wishingi cia githirikari
reu in short hakuna pesa ya masomo
turari horo wa the free primary education ore yajirie was it 2003
yes 2003 ni thirikari ya Mwai wa Kibaki
President Mwai wa Kibaki nduria wageire ginya global recognition na ginya President Mwai wa Kibaki agitwo ni was it Bush Korea US and awarded and loaded heavily for that it has been in operation since then
actually it's now 22 years
yes so now leo ni akinya hado tutire kanyamu
thirikari ndi auga thirikari ndi no hoti wa kimbeca guthina mbere kurugamirira program uyo actually in the CS Bandis word we have been living a lie ati ni kuhenia tukoretwo tukihenia all along ati ta bururi no tuhote kurugamirira such an expensive program ya kimathomo
kogo tukoretwo tukihenia all those years
miaka yo 22
is it the most expensive expenditure for the government
githomo nikio gikio of course no ngirora budget ya bururi for the last like 15 or 16
years
githomo nikio gikuaga mbeca iria nyingi which is deservedly so
is it highest priority
it
is
of course bururi ungikia guthomi uiko ndurathomithia ciana ko nikio ureka
where is the future of the country
uiko nikio tureka ta bururi yako tutigithomithia ciana githomo no horo wa ugima wa mwiri na ugitiri those are top priorities in every
and healthcare
yes
leo ndirageria kuria ni atiriri he maundu mangi mangiamba marugame twamba turore githomo
maingi muno
hapo ndio tuko toroni kure maundu turakiwa maragethio na mbere some which are futuristic na twina maundu ma now tondu githomo ni kia now
githomo riu ni kia now ndungia ciana ciambe cikare mucii ni igathoma hindi ingi githomo no nginya githomo
and we have seen heavy allocations to things that we don't consider priority.
I don't understand this year's body aruga gutire na mbeca atia. Na every financial year ni monaga billion ikomi cia renovate State House.
10 billion.
Yes, they do that almost for the last 2 financial years. Mena bia cia renovate State House.
Cia gwaka jeru.
Renovate.
Kugacirithia.
Yes, whatever they renovate I don't know.
You know, let me put that into context. Naona nyumba yetu Britam Towers. Yakitwa kule Upper Hill.
Britam Towers ni demi
major urban monstrosity of a building. That 2 floors.
Actually na ni record ginya to Kenya gitaru kia Africa. Gitaro nyumba imwe iria mariro na ndaya muno.
Britam Towers by Wikipedia information costed 7 billion.
7B.
Yes.
Gwaka uguo kurikia.
Kumerutia the from groundbreaking to completion 7B. But we State House here or innovation
it's like around 10 na ni thia uguo kaigua kwina to supplementary budget guku uguo ikongererwo kanyamu no gutire na bia cia mathomo affordable icio ciakagwo muthenya no tuko itirugamaga cia batata ikunu icio itiagagirwo bia no gutire na bia cia githomo
aya
bia cia guthimeca manio na ndege na ngari mikuikuri icio itire ciaga no gutire bia cia guthomithia ciana
ciana muno cia thini to necio igithomithagio nio marabatara
nio marabatara mbeca nigetha makirugamiriro kimathomo but there's hari undu itare ndirahota gukuo kwenda na no ngenda mundu ungindariria I don't understand CS yaruga gutire mbeca atia ingirora riu nie ndihuthira ta mundu kiumbe igoti riria ndariha bururi uyu mwaka wa 2021
yes
na igoti riria ndirariha bururi uyu mwaka uyu turi ni inene
muno makeria.
So and I want to believe the situation with almost every Kenyan.
It's true.
So turariha magoti manene gukira maria twarihaga miaka ena mithiru.
Oh, yet there is still no money.
No riu CSE na aratura gutire mbia. How? Budget on, I think ni Professor Olekia Pinyoni ria kutetwo handu nenda-ini akiuria atiriri. CSE aruge gutire na mbia cia githomo. Twina budget ya trilioni 4. Tungikorwo niki tureka na trilioni 4.
4 trillion Kenya shillings.
Ucoke gutie mbia cia githomo.
Na tukiaji uhoro wa free primary education under the Kibaki administration budget ito ndiaguthite trillion.
Yes.
Because the first trillion budget yathomirwo ni Uhuru Kenyatta when he was Minister of Finance. Yes. Now we have a budget of 4 trillion.
Ine matukianjiriria free primary gutiari tutiakinyetie budget ya trillion.
Oh yes.
Na ni age supportaga na ekarugamirira maundu mothe. No riu badi arenda gutuonia riu bururi uthinite. Nduri na mbeca cia kurugamirira githomo. Watu si wajinga. We are not foolish.
We are living in modern times. People have access to information and they know. Yes.
Riu dirona kihoto giothe agituiguithia gukorwo ati gutiri na mbeca cia guthomithia ciana. How?
It is a case of poor prioritization.
Hari 4 trillion tutina mbia cia guthomithia ciana.
Ciana igitwarwo riu ku.
Tukorwo niki tureka ta bururi. I mean, what are we doing?
No. It's a conversation that needs to be kept going.
Na Badi and the administration mamenye atiriri. Taru kiundu gia free primary education ni kiundu kaingirire a Kenya.
Yes.
System-ini.
Wega.
Na kugeria riu kumatunyukithio ndu tocio ri. Ni barora mbikana andu.
Riu ni kurehe maundu riu matari mega.
Yes. Andu ni maigirire system-ini ona mo that is the way of life.
Whatever it is they can do. Kiria giothe mangehihinya ni kihihinyu. Ciana ire kuithomi.
Augire matigiona mbia cia kurihaga githomo ati capitation ya secondary ya 2022. Na cia free primary.
Augire we have been living a lie.
You've been living a lie.
Okay.
We have been living a lie for all that time.
All right.
Gakirigwa atiriri kai thirikari the previous government ya Uhuru ri.
Was it also living a lie?
Kayo marutaga mbia kuna ni makirugamagirira maundu macio mothe.
And there was even not capitation. Subsidy ginya cia maguta manga.
Yes, na subsidy ya maguta ma feturu, ya thitima, ya what was kwali ginya na mifango ta Linda Mama.
Yes.
Those subsidy we cia maundu.
Absolutely.
Kayo what were they doing?
What magic were they doing?
Na tutiri twaigua thirikari ya Uhuru irugamite kauga riu thirikari ndingihota guthi na mbere na ku support githomo.
Hapana.
Wacha mchezo bwana.
Wewe.
Bia cia guthi micemanio mena cio no bia cia githomo gutire.
Mbeca cia kuhuva around in choppers.
Uko bona machopa.
Yes.
Na kule handu hiya ethea. Wacha mchezo bwana.
Unajua.
We are aware.
Yes.
Na watu si wajinga.
Watu si wajinga bwana. Hey, how narrow. That's a very serious.
No, it's a very serious national conversation we should have.
We should indeed.
Twina budget ya trillion inya tutigio.
4 trillion. You know a trillion is how many millions?
Billion giri.
Yes, because a billion the million giri.
Yes.
Ko trillion ni emwe ne billion
ni maita giri.
Koguo ne billion giri inya.
Yes.
Na tutigithomithia ciana.
Tukorwo niki tureka.
What are we doing? Aiko icio cia githomo ni gukiaga cia bara, cia dawa.
Ya mchezo bwana. Mera iko 54.